Hey y'all, welcome back to White Mountains Livestock. In this episode, almost to the end, episode 3 of our pallet chicken coop build. Stay tuned, because it's coming up. Alright y'all, welcome back to White Mountains Livestock. First off, if you're new around here, I want to say welcome. We're glad to have you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon. You can be notified whenever we get another video up. Now, first, last week's video, I know it was a little more somber. It was a little more depressing, but it was something that really weighs heavy with me. And I hope you guys feel the same way that we do. Anyway, off with the depressing and let's get on to the good stuff, right? All right, this pallet chicken coop, buddy, we have done some work on this thing. Had the wife out the other day, yesterday actually, helping me get a bunch of stuff done, getting all this chicken wire run, getting the roofing on, getting everything done, right? So tonight is chicken night. We get to get all those chickens and get them moved over here and get them in this pen. We got a brand new pool, kiddie pool right here for the ducks so they can swim around and, you know, everything else. So we're good to go. All right, so let's get to it, show exactly what we got. All right. Now, here's what we got. Looks kind of janky, I know. However, it'll serve its purpose. It'll keep the predators out and keep our chickens safe. So, as you can see, we got the chicken wire on. Get this cord here from this microphone from dragging everywhere. We got this chicken wire on. Now, a lot of this was originally from the old chicken coop that we had done when we first moved up here. I showed you guys one of the earlier videos, which I'll go ahead and link to up at the top right now. So we were able to reuse a lot of that, and then we picked up another roll for, you know, whatever else we needed. Now, how we attached this was literally just with staples. So went through with just a little staple gun, nothing fancy, and then some light duty staples. That's all we needed. We got them all on there nice and pretty. It doesn't, well, I guess kind of pretty. It doesn't look pretty, but it will work. It'll keep the chickens in. It'll keep the predators out. Now, I've had people talking about chicken wire should be on the inside for the safety of the chickens. Well, at the end of the day, our chickens don't really climb up in these pallets. They just don't. So, you can see we got scratch and stuff over here for them already for tonight. But we got this roof on. All this tin. Now I got some of these screws and stuff like that to pick up, you know, but that's all on. I don't have supports in the middle, so I'm probably going to end up running some. We're going to see how that works. I'm not too worried about coyotes or anything getting on top of this thing, but I am a little bit worried about the chickens just pushing it down and managing to get out, although if they do, they're probably going to cut themselves up pretty good. This hole right here was interesting to close up. We run out of these long panels or roofing panels. So all we had left was this short one. So it left us this gap here, which was great when I was reinforcing on the inside. So we could just drop the drill down in there. But now it's kind of a pain. Now inside, I can't quite get through the gate. I'm not sure how the wife got that caked on there. I know you probably can't see it too well. But we got these two pallets here, okay, coming in, and then not too much. Eventually, I'm probably going to go over this with some plywood or, you know, something like that, just to kind of shade it off. The big reason that brought that in was, one, the reinforcing of the roof, but two, it was later in the day when we were out here yesterday, and the sun was coming in, you know, this way, straight towards this front here. And there was absolutely no shade in there. So we added those in, which gave it a good amount of shade. Well, a decent amount of shade. Enough for the chickens we got to be able to get out of the sun. You know, so we're going to patch that up probably eventually, right in the next couple of weeks or so. But We're going to see how they do first. There's the new kiddie pool that we got for the ducks. $8 at Walmart. Okay, so we'll fill that up with some water this afternoon when we bring them in. But all the way around, we got the chicken wire. We wrap the edges here so it's not just sticking out, so it doesn't catch on your clothes or, you know, anything else. The wife just tied this on. I want to get some hinges, but trying to figure out how we're going to hinge this is, I haven't got that far. Same thing here. Now this is leaned in a little bit because she put those sticks in to raise that up because I couldn't get in it. But luckily my wife is a little short and she can, at like her little 5'2", 5'3" self, she can squirm right in there. But it's the same thing. So down here, I'm not too worried. Chickens aren't going to be able to get out through that little gap there. Down here, I close this up. The one right here in the bush, I actually close that one up on the inside. So that's there. And then if we come around this bush to the back side, we run some more wood. I was really getting tired of stapling. My hand got a little tore up. So yeah, here's the piece covering up on the inside. And then down here, I just run a couple pieces of wood just to kind of block these sections off here. My hand was tired from stapling. I really didn't want to run any more wood than I had to. And then the same thing over here. So we got the wood along the bottoms now. Okay, now mind you, all this wood is just stuff we had laying around. We didn't go out and buy anything other than that pool. And then a couple of pallets that we spent like $2 on. So we've built this entire thing minus, you know, screws and stuff like that for less than 20 bucks. I mean, well, never mind, because the chicken wire itself was 30. But we got that in the wrong place, wrong price tag. So we got it for where they had it, where it was marked at. But it's either way, under 50 bucks, we've done this entire thing, including the screws and the chicken wire and a pallet and all that. So tonight, we're going to wait until them chickens are roosting. It's going to make it a lot easier to snatch them up. We're going to snatch them up. We're going to bring them over here. We're going to put them in the coop. We're going to feed them. I'm already going to have this pool filled up so they'll have water when they get here. And that's a done deal. Now we have our eggs. Now, eventually I'm probably going to get in there. I do want to do some nesting boxes and stuff like that in there. But that's going to come, you know, probably at a later date. But for now, this gets them separated. This gets them into their own area. And gives them kind of a nice little place they can go where they can come out here. They can get the sunlight and all that they want. They can go in there. They can be in the shade. Then with the wind, the direction the wind comes in, it's always blowing from over here, so they're going to have a real nice breeze coming through there to help keep them cool, so it's not completely closed off. So one of the reasons we ended up not doing siding around the side of where the inside of the coop is, we want that breeze blowing through there. That way it can help cool them down, help with the odor, that kind of stuff, because let's face it, chickens, they can get to stinking. Anyway, guys, that's that. So if you're new around here, thank you for watching. Welcome. Probably should have done that the other way around. But either way, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell or that subscribe button. Man, can't talk today, right? Hit that bell notification icon. That way you're notified when we get another video up. Now, next week, I have no idea what we're doing yet. Actually, yes, I do. I think we're going to do a garden update. Because I got a bunch of stuff coming up now. But thanks for watching, guys. Hey, appreciate it. For all you crazy people that actually subscribe to this channel, hey, thank you. I'm hoping you're getting something out of it. I'm hoping you're enjoying the videos. Let me know in the comments below what I can do better. Any questions you guys might have, let me know. Don't be snarky about it, you know, but I'm perfectly open to constructive criticism. I raise livestock, not post videos. Well, I guess kind of now I do that too, but not my forte. So let me know what you guys think. Any kind of constructive advice, any of that, always welcome. Don't be a dick, because I will freaking block you. Anyway, All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.